Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Style Showdown without any game passes. So I'm not going to use fast walk, no VIP, and no custom makeup. Here we go. This is actually the first time I'm playing without the fast walk, so I don't know how it will go. Gosh, I'm walking very slow. Okay, got that first. Okay, for the face, we cannot use custom makeup, so we're just going to find. I haven't really used makeup from this for a long time, so let's see. I might use this one or this one. I might use this one. And then for the hair, I'm just going to combine a lot. Bangs only. Let's do a brown kind of hair. Let's do only bangs here as well. I don't know. Should we do this? Should we do like a bun? Oh my gosh, I don't have time. I do realize that. Oh my god, I just look like Lord Farquaad there. Oh my gosh, I'm walking so slow. Is there anything that I can use? No. Okay. Let's see. Boss outfit. I don't know what to wear. Where's the... Okay, we do need this one. I might just use this one. Because I know everyone's going to be going for that one. And then for the skirt. Actually, I'll just use a plain skirt for this. Let's color it black. Or should I use this maybe? Yeah, I think I'm going to use that instead. Whoopsies. Oh my god. I don't have a lot of time. I need some shoes. Hold on. What shoes? This one. Still need the red bottoms though, because we're that kind of boss, you know. I think we're going to use this one. And then what else? God, I need necklaces. I need a necklace. Excuse me. I don't know if you can even see that. You know what? That's it. That's it for my final look, and let's see what I will get from wearing this fit. Okay, me first. Let's do... Oh no, I need to pose. Sideways. Oh, that was an ugly pose. Anyways, if I don't get eliminated on this round, that means I guess you can play it without a pass, but okay, giving... I don't know what this is giving, but it's giving something. Okay, cute. Okay, this one slays, I guess. Let's vote for your favorite outfits. All right. Okay, I'm gonna vote for her and this person. Oh, I can only vote two, so. The ballet. At the ballet. Oops. There. Actually, she kind of slays too. So, hopefully I don't lose, but... What? Okay, so that's pretty much it, really. That's me playing without a Game Pass, so you guys can do that too. I hope that is it for this. Wait, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.